In this section, we are going to revise the concept of gas. Gas by Vitalik Buterin came from the concept of gasoline itself. Now we all know that gas is the computation cost that is involved when executing a smart contract. Or whenever you are transferring ether from one person to the other, the concept of gas is involved there as well. So what is this gas? Why was it introduced? It was introduced to avoid the fluctuations in price of ether versus USD. If you take any cryptocurrency including Ethereum, it has a lot of volatility. Volatility means it can move from $200 per ether to $400 per ether to $100 per ether within days or hours even. To avoid that, we needed a concept of abstraction from the ether and bringing in this gas concept. What is this gas concept is that we are taking or we are giving each of the operations that can be performed in a smart contract some gas amount. Let's say you are doing an addition operation that takes 3 gas, right? So the total fees that you pay to the miner is determined using the gas consumed. So if you are doing this addition, the gas consumed will be 3 gas. And then comes the gas price. This gas price is the one which determines how much ether is the user willing to pay to the miner. In Bitcoin, if you look at, the transaction fee can be decided by us. If you're transferring 1 Bitcoin, you can either choose to give 0.1 Bitcoin or 0.001 Bitcoin as the transaction fee. Similarly, in Ether, you can choose how much am I willing to pay to the miner. And hence, this gas price can be probably like 1 Ether per gas. So when you do that, 3 gas into 1 Ether per gas becomes 3 Ether, and that's the amount you'll be paying to the miner. Let's say tomorrow the price of ether doubles. Then you can choose, I'll only pay 0.5 ether per gas for this transaction. And that will be the amount given to the miner as well. So this is designed to keep the transaction fee constant, at least theoretically, for all the users of Ethereum blockchain. As we know, Ethereum is trying to become the supercomputer for powering dApps. And hence, this concept makes the life easier for all of the users of this Ethereum blockchain itself. So going to the gas cost, you can see there is a Excel sheet like this called as gas cost from the yellow paper, right? You can find the gas cost for each of the operations that you can do in the Ethereum blockchain here. For example, stop does not get any gas, of course. Addition takes 3 gas, multiplication takes 5 gas, subtraction takes 3 gas, division, signed integer division, modulo, and then exponent, and less than, greater than, what else, and, or, XOR, which are all comparison operators. And you can also find the address, balance, and caller, and all of the things. If you look at this entire list, there are 71 operations which can be performed inside the Ethereum blockchain. And all of the operations that you can do in Ether or Ethereum blockchain contains a gas cost associated with it. These are constants and does not change. So who decided these gas concept and how much gas each of the operation takes is by the community of Ethereum itself. The decentralized nature of blockchain comes here as well, and all of the programmers who were initially involved in programming on Ethereum decided upon these costs. That is when the gas concept comes into picture, and you can also go look at this Ethereum gas cost from the yellow paper itself. This is officially maintained by Ethereum, and here you can get a good idea about how much each operation will take in the Ethereum blockchain. Let's go to the next section.